Oh, it's on. Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibuni sana to all those who are new. We are not so long old here, but anyway. So when the year began, I promised that I am going to be doing a video to be uploading a video every Wednesday. But this week has been pretty crazy, very crazy. Sorry for another day. But today I wanted to do something different apart from makeup. Hair, natural hair. That's why I look all shaggy, homeless here. There's this slick hairstyle that I love doing, where I style up my hair, add an extension. So that's what I want to show you today. And the product that I used, literally it's just nice and lovely gel. This holds my hair really well. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first off, I have wet my hair a little bit. That's why I am trying to wipe off some water that's dripping. I'm going to comb out this. I have this small kitchener where when you use a comb, it gives more precise, like a straight line and no hairs above here. Okay, is that straight? I don't know. My hair is really soft, so with me, just applying it on my hair like this, it does it for me. I scoop it, I apply it. So when I've combed out my hair like this, I'm going to take a brush. Then I've been looking for, someone plug me up. I've been looking for the brushes that people usually use to slick out their hair, but I haven't, so I improvised. I have this one. Still does the job, yeah. I'm using a blotter. Oh no, did it just cut? Wow, the gel. Oh, change of plans. So I think you can either go with a rubber band, but mine just cut, so I will use a string. Hope it does the job. Okay. So let me get my toothbrush. I come and lay them edges down. 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. So I went to pick up my brush. So for the brush, we all have that one toothbrush that is used for laying edges, yeah? So I'm going to scoop some of my gel and, slick out my hair. So for the edges, I like doing it like this. So this front part here, like that. You can use a scarf, you can use a silk, cotton, whatever. I have this turban. I used to rock turbans kitambo, so I have my scarf here. So to lay down the hair, I'm going to just put it on top like this. So 5 minutes are done. I can look like a mokorin. No offense. So now that the hair's like that, I'm going to take it out. Voila, guys, look at that. You see how sleek it is? Like, the next step, I'm going to be tying this hair. Yeah, so it's an extension. You see, when you do it like this, then I'll go in with my comb, then brush off the hair, make sure it's straight, swivelly. So that's literally it, guys. That's how I do my hair. Make it sleek. Yeah. So I'm going to do my makeup off camera then. Yeah. That's all for the look. So hey loves, I'm back with my makeup done. I've only done my eyebrows, lipstick, and a powder and some setting spray. Can you guys see that glow, yani? Yeah? That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, learned something. Another hack, when you're doing the gel style, don't do your makeup and do the gel, because simply your makeup will go to the hair. Do the hair gel first, the styling gel, then go to the makeup. Yeah, so that everything blends out evenly. So thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Kindly in the comment section tell me what you'd like to see me do, something you've wanted to learn about beauty that you haven't mastered yet, or you would want me to do a video about. Let me know, interact with me, you know. Yes, thank you. See you on the next one, next Wednesday, and keep it locked. Thank you.